What is going on, traders? I hope you all had a great day today. If you paid attention to last night's video and you were a part of my live stream for the pre-market in the morning, man, you guys should be heavily green. Let me show you. So, 8:51 a.m. This was my game plan. This was 40 minutes before market open, 8:51 Eastern time. My game plan for today. Look at the first thing I said. The best setup will be for calls at the lower gap at 431.50. All right, that was a great play, phenomenal play. Look at what the next play was. Puts at 435.18. Look it, this is not edited. This chart is not edited. I wrote this at 8:51. Let's look, okay? What was the high of the day today? Whoa, 435.18. I literally gave you the exact high of the day. If you watch the video and you mark these levels on your chart, you absolutely banked today. It was to the exact cent amount. Crazy, crazy day. The technical analysis was dead on point. Everything aligned up, guys. Every key level was hitting that I stated in the pre-market. Today was absolutely crazy. That was the first play. Let's look at the second play. The second play was 433.53, puts or calls. So 433.53. It was either, I said calls or puts. So if we get a support, you get calls. If you see rejection, you get puts. Look what happened as soon as we came under it. We retested it. Look at the bounce it did. Look how big of a rip that was. And then look at the downside. Look at the puts as soon as we reject this level, guys. We're only playing key levels. Today was picture perfect. If you had a plan and you stuck to it, today was absolutely picture perfect. Playing the key levels of SPY. What was the next play? 432.59. Calls or puts. 432.59. As soon as we broke under this level, guys, we hit calls for the retest. Look what it did. As soon as we ended up rejecting this level, look at the downside potential. So every single key level I gave you, even if you bought calls or puts, as soon as they hit, you made money on either direction. It was, oh my God, crazy. And then the last key level, guys, the first thing I wrote, the best setup will be calls to the lower gap, 431.50. I told small accounts, cash accounts, this is the best level for calls. Look what happened as soon as we touched this key level. The gap fill. This was a gap close reversal. As soon as we broke under it, guys, we ripped almost $3. 3 points on SPY, just buying in 20 minutes. The key levels do not lie. This is why I only buy key levels. I do not use indicators. I do not listen to people. I make my own key levels and I just play. A key level is where SPY tells us a rejection or support will happen. And this was the best play of the day. The play we waited for was literally the best play of the day. And it didn't only happen once, it happened twice for almost the same run. It was crazy, guys. So that was it for today. Let's get into the price movement and the upcoming forecast for SPY. So obviously today, guys, is extremely bearish. Where we are right now, I'm going to be watching 3 main levels, okay? I may have to update this in the morning, but right now the main levels is going to be 430. 430 is the biggest psychological number for SPY, especially in this range. We are going to be watching that like a hawk. The new sentiment, everything is bearish right now with the war going on, guys. Once we see a 430 rejection on the 5-minute, we're going to hit puts. That should bring a 2 to 3 point move. If we see a support on the 5-minute time frame at 430, we are going to hit calls to 430.50 and 433.53. Okay, like that's the range. We're gonna be playing in like a $5-6 gap right now. That is what I'm gonna be watching. But it's gonna be 430. All eyes are on 430, guys. The biggest psychological number we are gonna be watching. Other than that, we got the 430. We have 429.25. That's a good lower level, and 428.45. Okay, these are the lower levels. 430, 429.25, and 425 or 428.45. The upper levels I'm going to be watching. The first one is going to be 430.79. 430.50 and 432.59. Okay, that's what I'm going to be watching. I'm going to be playing all those levels. If anything changes, I will let you guys know pre-market. I would just like to let everyone know I've never felt so privileged, so happy, so grateful to have the community that we have, guys. The moderators today absolutely crushed it. Dimitri, Jim C, both 5 figures on the day. They literally alerted puts at market open, and these guys absolutely banked. Coop, Trader B, Ryan, Zen, Carter, Gecko, these guys crushed it. When I'm not there, there are moderators, the GOATs. These guys are people that I look up to, people that have helped me trade. They are unbelievable, guys. When I'm not there, they were holding up the chat. Today wasn't my day. I wasn't feeling well. And then I took some time off, and the Discord guys banked. It was absolutely crazy. I'm so thankful to be partners with these guys. It's such a crazy opportunity that I have right now, and I'm so thankful. I will never take that for granted. Every member in the Daily Sniper, guys, I know they are thankful and grateful to have all those moderators. They provide so much value. It's crazy to believe that I'm actually partners with these guys. That's how good they are. It's crazy. If you would like to be part of the Daily Sniper, guys, the link is in the bio. We do this every day, and it's not just me. I have a team. I have a team of moderators who I look up to, who help me be a better version of myself, a better trader of myself, and they hold up the chat, guys. It's absolutely crazy. The link is in the bio if you'd like to be a member. Thank you guys for everything, and I will see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. for the pre-market live on YouTube, and 9:30 market live at open. Thank you guys so much. Stay green.